Welcome to Electrical Engineering channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to don't miss our upcoming videos.
How to perform the contact resistance test for a breaker. This test is measuring the breaker contact resistance, and it's one of the important tests for breakers. The breaker contacts have two conditions: 1. Opening condition, 2. Closing condition. Normally, in the opening condition the contact resistance should be infinity, in the closing condition the resistance should be near to zero. This test is to confirm the contact quality and hence the thermal performance of the breaker contact. The test will be carried out by a testing kit. How to perform the test: 1. Close the breaker. 2. Connect the testing kit to electrodes to one phase on both sides. The testing kit will inject a DC current through the closed breaker contact. The testing kit will measure the voltage over the breaker contact both sides. By this equation the kit will calculate the contact resistance. What are the factors which can cause the contact resistance to be high? 1. Resistive oxidation from the manufacturing process or high opening or closing current. 2. Environmental factors. Suppose the resistance result was 1 ohm, and suppose the load current on that breaker is 2000 amperes, so during running conditions the losses in power, which will be converted to heat, can be calculated by this equation, so it will be around 4 megawatts, which is a huge power, and the heat produced will affect the breaker thermal performance, and affecting the breaker lifetime. The acceptable resistance is depending on the breaker ratings, voltage and current. But it should be in micro-ohm. For example 25 micro-ohm. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to don't miss our coming videos.